Low calorie, crispy French fries. Super simple to make, and even better, they're only 250 calories with less than 1 gram of fat. Super crispy with zero oil used. Let me show you how to make them. You can have them thick like me, not the sharpest tool in the shed, or you can have them thin like my bank account this January. Times are tough, man, times are tough. Get them in a pot and then add boiling water and then salt it and leave these to simmer for about 14 minutes. You should be able to poke a fork through them and then strain them. Move them about in the pot and they should fluff up looking like this. Then season with salt, pepper, garlic granules, paprika, thyme, mix them all together and you are done. You need to try these.